So it is a whole sentence, right? Collect your parcel from the courier office. So it conveys the whole meaning.
Therefore, this sentence is an example of independent clause.
Then we are having one more example. Though we left home early. So whenever we get these conjunctions, have you studied about conjunctions? Means the words like because, while, although, whom, whose. So these kind of words are called as conjunctions, okay? It combines the two sentences.
Okay.
And so all these are conjunctions. So whenever we get the words like this, although, because, while, though, even though, then we can surely find it out as dependent clause. Because,
Conjunction.
yes, dependent or subordinate.
Subordinate.
Because, yes. So though we left home early, we missed the train. We couldn't catch the bus. Okay, so if I tell the sentence like that, it will look like complete. But if I only tell the first part of it, though we left home early, so it looks like incomplete, right?
Ah.
Yes, so the sentence is incomplete. So it is not complete and it does not convey the full meaning. That's why it is called as a dependent clause, dependent or subordinate. Okay. So this is the comparison of phrases and clauses.
Okay.
So the first point is a phrase does not have a subject and a predicate. So predicate here means the verb, but a clause has a subject. Okay, so the predicate
Okay.
is also called as the verb only. Okay, so a phrase does not have a subject and predicate or verb, while a clause has a subject. So this is our first difference. Okay, yes. The second difference is a phrase is not complete and it cannot make sense or convey meaning if it stands on its own. But a clause can look complete, convey meaning, and make sense when separated from the sentence. So this clause,
Okay.
especially independent clause, okay? So the independent
Okay.
type of the clause is complete. Can look like complete sentence. But the dependent clause or the subordinate clause is incomplete. Okay. So these are the main two differences between phrases and clauses. Then the third
Okay.
one. So third is just about the types. Okay. So whatever we have learned so far, it is given as a tabular column.
Okay.
So the third point is about the types of phrases and types of clauses. So how many types of phrases are there? Well, that is what given in the third point. So what are the types of clauses? How many types of clauses are there? So again, the fourth point is about an example. Okay. So for a clause, there is an unidentified vehicle in front of our house. So in front of our house is a phrase. Okay. So in front of is a prepositional phrase, and our house. So it is
Okay.
house is a noun part of the phrase. Yes. Okay. Then for clause, I am sick, so I am going to see the doctor. So the whole sentence is a clause. The first part, I am sick, is a independent clause. Yes, independent or main clause. Okay.
Mean.
Yes. So I am going to see the doctor. So whenever you get the connecting words like so, because, although, then that is surely.
Conjunctions.
Yes, conjunctions. So then you have to tell it as a dependent
Dependent clause.
Yes, dependent or subordinate clause.
So we have come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. If you like this video, just like it and subscribe to my channel.